My name is Neema and I'm a marketing student here, and I'm also enrolled in the sales certificate. Everything here at the sales center is very real world application, which means a lot to me. Even though we're in an academic environment, it's all about the real world. And ultimately when I enter the workforce, I'm going to have a much greater impact than a lot of other students coming straight out of university. My past pretty much consists of accounting and finance. For the last 2 years or so, I've been working for a hedge fund as the director of business development. I know the sales profession in general typically has a very negative connotation, but what it's really about is really just helping people solve their problems and ultimately getting them to, reach their goals. And, there's no high like putting a smile on someone else's face. And that's really what the sales profession is about. I would absolutely recommend the sales certificate to any students even considering it. All the professors and faculty are top of the line. They've all been very successful in their own fields and have come to TCU really just to teach students. And it doesn't matter what major you are, whether you're in business or not, it's going to have a big impact on your life, and ultimately you're going to impact the world in a better way. Go Frogs!